Stari.
Hello, little one. It is Stari, and I am really glad you are here with me today. I want to ask you something, and I want you to know there is no wrong answer. Is there someone you are missing right now? Maybe someone who lives far away, or someone you have not seen for a while, or maybe just someone you wish was here with you right now in this moment. If there is, I want you to know that the feeling you have inside right now, somewhere in your chest, that is one of the most beautiful feelings there is, even though it does not always feel beautiful when you are in the middle of it. That feeling has a name. It is called missing someone, and it only happens when you love someone very much. So if you are feeling it right now, it means you have someone really special in your life, and that is something truly wonderful. Find a comfortable spot and settle in. Sit or lie down wherever feels the most cozy and safe for you right now. Let your body be heavy and still, and take one slow, gentle breath in, and let it out slowly. And as you breathe out, let your whole body get just a little bit softer. Now I want you to think of the person you are missing. Just bring their face gently into your mind. What do they look like? What does it feel like when they smile at you? Just hold that picture of them very gently in your mind, like holding something really precious in both hands, carefully and lovingly. Here is something I want to tell you, something that is always true, even when it does not feel true. The love between you and the person you are missing does not go away just because you cannot see them right now. Love does not need the same room to work. Love travels, love reaches, love finds its way through any amount of distance or time. Right now, in this very moment, the person you love is somewhere in the world, and whether they know it or not, your love is reaching them. I want you to try something beautiful right now. Place one hand gently on your heart. Feel it beating quietly under your hand. That heartbeat, that is where the love lives. That is where the person you miss lives too, safe and warm and always with you no matter how far away they are. Take a slow breath in and imagine that warm feeling in your chest getting just a tiny bit bigger and warmer with each breath, like a little fire being gently tended. And breathe out slowly and imagine sending some of that warmth outward, traveling gently through the air like a warm invisible hug, all the way to wherever the person you love is right now. They might feel it, a sudden warm feeling they cannot quite explain, a sense that someone loves them, that is yours. You just sent it. Take one more breath in, filling your heart right up with warmth and love and the memory of that person. And breathe out, sending it to them again. A second warm hug traveling through the world, just from you. Now let your body be completely soft and still, and just sit for a moment with how much you love that person. Let yourself feel it fully, the missing, the love, all of it. It is allowed to be here. All of it is welcome. Feeling this much means you love this much, and loving this much is one of the most beautiful things about you. You are not alone in this feeling. Stari is right here with you, and the person you love is always in your heart, always, no matter what. Take one last slow, gentle breath, and let it go softly. You did something really brave today. You sat with a big feeling and you did not run away from it. That takes real courage. I am so proud of you, and I will be right here whenever you need me. Take care of that beautiful heart of yours. Goodbye for now, little one. It's Stari, always here when you need me.